Moodle 2 in a minute or two. Getting a file from a student, returning a file to a student. The Moodle Advanced Uploading of Files assignment type lets an instructor get a file from a student, correct, comment, and grade the paper, and return the file to the student. To create the activity, go to the course site, turn editing on, and from the Add an Activity menu, select Advanced Uploading of Files. You're required to give the assignment a name and also provide a description. This can serve as instructions for the student. If you put a check in the Display Description on Course Page box, then the description will appear on the main Moodle page, serving pretty much as a label. You can also set a due date when the paper must be submitted, and if you wish, you can prevent late submissions. In that case, you'll have to deal with the student directly to deal with the missing paper. You can assign a grade to the assignment if you wish. You can also assign it to a category if you're using categories. You can adjust the maximum size of the file if it's a graphic file or something that may require a little bit more storage. You can set a maximum number of uploaded files. This will allow the student to correct their mistake if they submit the wrong file or an earlier draft of a file. You can also arrange to have Moodle send you an email when a file is submitted. Once you've made all your choices, click Save and Return to Course. The student will see the link for the assignment along with the description you typed in if you chose to make it available. The student can click on the link to submit a file. The student should click the Upload Files link. At the next screen, they should click Add. This will open the file picker. They can click on Upload a File and then choose File. They should navigate to the file location, highlight the file, and click Open. The name of the file will appear next to the Choose File button. They should then click Upload this file. The student must click Save Changes or the file will not be uploaded properly. The instructor can click on the link to view any assignments that were submitted. At the next page, click the View Submitted Assignments link. The instructor has the option to download all assignments as a zip file, or the instructor can click on the title of a document to download it into the browser. The instructor should create a folder for files that will be returned to Moodle, and also use a naming convention to identify files that have been graded. Save the document to the folder. The instructor should click the grade link for the student and the assignment. The instructor will see the student's name and will be able to prevent any further submission of files. The instructor can also assign a grade and provide any feedback to the student that they desire. They can click the Add button next to response files and select the file that will be returned to the student. Once the response file has been selected and appears on the screen, the instructor can click Save Changes. The student can click on the link to the assignment. The student will see the feedback from the instructor, as well as a link to download the corrected file. The student can also check their grades by clicking Grades under the Settings menu. If you have any questions about this tutorial or any other aspect of using Moodle, please contact your designated Moodle support person or moodle@alb.edu.